So we have a house. This is actually my grandpa's house that he's lived here my whole life. So I'm pretty sure all of my dad's whole life too. It's a modular, but it's built on like a regular basement, which is nice. And it has a pole barn, like a really big pole barn. So we're really excited. I'm happy that we have the home that my grandpa owned. He recently passed, so I think everyone was really glad that someone in the family is moving in. And this is not going to be our end game home. We're actually still gonna be building our new home, but this kind of gives us a place that's not living at my mom's, and kind of takes away the rush of having to get everything done and done right away with a new house. It allows us to take our time, save up a little bit more money, and be more relaxed about it, which I'm excited about. So I'm gonna show you guys the house, what it looks like now. I actually have like paint and all kinds of stuff in the back seat already. Like painting is starting today. We just bought the house yesterday. Basement's being demoed. Lots of work is gonna be done. So I just wanted to give you guys a clear before, so that you guys can be excited with us with the after. And I just wanted to take you guys on this new chapter in our lives. Trevor would be here, but he is actually out of state working right now. He's working tons of overtime trying to get that job done so he can get back home. He's going to be working out of town for the next month to month and a half. 2 weeks gone and a weekend home. So it's going to be a little bit difficult not having him here, but he's such a hard worker, and I know that when he is here, he's gonna put everything he has into getting the must-haves like done in this house so we can start moving our stuff in. My family, my mom is who made all of this possible. I love her so much. I'm really grateful. She not only let us live with her rent free, but financially assisted and made it able for us to purchase this house and still start building our other house, which is amazing. And I'm pretty sure she's gonna come over, maybe help me paint, hopefully. But yeah, so I'm really grateful for my mom. She is awesome. And yeah, let's go look at the house. So, as you guys can see, there's a lot of wood paneling in this house. It was built in the 70s, late 70s, after the house that was originally here burnt down. Okay. This is where we walk into. This is Grandpa had his dining room table here, so I think we're gonna keep this as a dining room, even though my aunt told me this used to be their living room. So maybe we will, maybe we won't. So this is this area. Here's a hallway there. All the bedrooms are over there. And then right here to the left is the kitchen. I bought all the furniture that you see in here. I bought at my grandpa's estate sale. So this is his desk that he's always had here, and we put it right back where it was, and you can see the indents in the carpet where his chair used to be. My grandpa's favorite thing was to sit here and look out the window and see who was driving by and watch everyone mow his grass.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the...
Okay, so this is the whole living room.
It's a weird shape. It's an L. It's because the stairs are right here in the middle. So, my aunt said that at one point when they first built the house, they actually had their dining room table here, and then this was more like a formal living area. And then at some point he moved the dining table over there. So I was thinking of doing like half of like a living room thing and then maybe setting up some of my desk and stuff for blogging and all of that good stuff. And this room, it has really, really great light. I actually think I want to take this wall and keep it plain and put no furniture, and I can take photos in front of this wall, which will be really, really nice. Because it's got great light and it's just in a good spot. But I'm also someone who like struggles with, if I see an empty space, I feel the need to fill it with stuff. So I'm hoping that I can rein it in and not do that this time. But maybe put our TV here, our couch here, our chase here or something. When Trevor gets here, we'll be able to decide these things together. But my grandpa has all these picture rails up on his wall. He used to have pictures of all the grandkids there. Like all of the old, goofy, embarrassing ones. Then we have like the front door to the front of the house. And you can see there's tons of these giant pine trees out there that go along the road, which is really awesome. When you come back around, that's the door that I came in and walked through the kitchen. This is just a closet that we're going to put some shelves in and make into a pantry. We're back to the dining room, laundry right there. And then these are the bedrooms. I'm going to try my hand at painting paneling. Geez, this thing needs to be greased. But yeah, so it's a orangey brown. This carpet my dad has been here. It's original to the house, so it's 50 years old. I'm gonna have to wipe these walls down, sand it a little bit, and then try and do primer and then paint over it. This was my aunt. She passed away, but she lived in this room with my grandpa up until the last year. So I think we're gonna paint this one white. Maybe make this the little guest bedroom, and probably yarn storage of some sort. And then this was my grandpa's office. This is a bookshelf that I bought from the sale. But I think I'm actually going to make this my craft room / office room. Again, wood paneling needs to be painted. If we do the first room and it's a disaster, I'm going to start with the other room because it's smaller. I'm just going to maybe drywall this room or buy a different kind of paneling that's easier to paint if we can get it cheap enough, and just go that route, because I'd really like this room to be white. And then new carpet for both of these bedrooms. Another closet. Another closet. I think there's a vacuum system of some sort I've seen on the thing. I don't know. I've never seen anyone actually use it. This is the bathroom. My mom really wants me to leave it yellow, so we're probably just going to leave it yellow. Maybe update the light fixtures a little bit and get rid of the doily curtains that my grandma Ruth put up. But it's just a cute little shower, just a regular shower, bath. I like taking baths, so that's exciting. And then the toilet's right behind the door, so good news is if you forget to lock the door, you can just put your hand up and stop it if someone tries to come in. I guess I don't mind this beigey paint color, the tan paint color that's out there too much, but it needs to be cleaned, and I'd really rather it be white, so we are probably going to do it, but this is like the least of my concerns. And then this was my grandpa's room, and this is going to be me and Trevor's room. I like having a ceiling fan, but I'm not sure if this one's my decor style. Or, so we might have to do that. Again, I want to paint this room. I really wanted to do it white, but I think that Trevor would like a gray. And since our next house is everything's going to be white, I might actually surprise him and do this. A gray that we have in the guest room at my mom's house that I think he's really gonna like. There's this mirror on the wall. Trevor's dad is an amazing woodworker, so I might have him actually make a frame for this so that it looks like it's supposed to be here, and it will look nicer, I think, if we can do that. So, and I'm like all about mirrors. I love having mirrors. I like that I can see my whole outfit. My grandpa also has mirrored doors on his closet, which is not super big. We have an 11 by 5 foot closet at my mom's house, so going down to a closet of this size is going to be difficult, but we have a bunch of IKEA cubes and stuff and dressers that we'll probably place along the wall here. Maybe we'll put the bed over here. My grandpa always had the bed here, but maybe we'll put it here and do our dressers and stuff over here. And then this is the master bath. If you noticed, there is no door from there into here. So I don't know if maybe we could do like a barn door situation on the wall here. Maybe have to move that mirror to make that happen. But it would be nice to be able to close this off so that people can use the bathroom in private. It's just a small little bathroom, countertop, shower. I'll actually probably let Trevor just use this bathroom and this be his bathroom and the other bathroom will be my bathroom. But I mean, we'll figure out more as we go. My Aunt Shelly is an absolute gem. She washed the entire house, like cleaned everything. I don't know. Which is amazing. So we and Trevor, everything's pretty clean. Not that Grandpa didn't keep things clean, but as he got older, it became a little bit more difficult. And now I'm going to show you guys the basement. Hey guys, I just had the life scared out of me. I went to open the basement. The basement's kind of creepy. So I opened the basement door and the doorbell rang. And then I was like, maybe it's my mom. And I went and it was actually a feller whose son lives like right down the road that way. And he actually bid on the house because we bought the house in auction. So he bid on the house as well. And he wanted to know like what it ended up going for. My uncle's camper's in the driveway for sale, so he was interested in that, so I sat and talked to him for a minute. But man, that scared the life out of me. So this is the basement. And I feel like when Trevor's not here, I'm gonna have to deadbolt this door so that I'm not terrified of the basement. I spent a lot of my childhood in this basement, but for some reason now that all the furniture's gone, it just seems really kind of creepy. These steps are steep, like super steep and super short. Like they're like not even as long as my foot. And then this is the wood paneling that is like in the whole house that was painted over. But go down the stairs. And this is the basement. Storage room. And then there's actually a bedroom. Well, it's not technically a bedroom because I don't think the window is conforming. And then my mom actually said this was my dad's bedroom, cement floor and all, water heater and all, when she started dating him. This is the bedroom that he used. My grandpa had 9 kids, so this is 3 bedrooms upstairs and then 2 non-conforming downstairs, and 9 kids. So lots of kids. You need lots of rooms. And this is just the second bedroom. All of the flooring and paneling is going to be removed from the basement. Unfortunately, it leaks and it flooded really bad one time, and my grandpa
was unable to get down the stairs for a long time, so he didn't know. So we're afraid that there's some kind of water damage or mold buildup in the carpet. So we want to just get all of that out of there to just better safe than sorry, which is really unfortunate because he did actually buy some really good carpet and carpet padding for the basement, but it's gotta go. So there's nothing really to do about it. Until we get the water situation fixed or figured out, I think we're just gonna leave it bare bones. It's sad that a finished basement has to go back to being an unfinished basement, but I think in the long run it'll be what's best for us. I'll probably just use it for storage, make sure we put everything on shelves. I got a breath from those stairs and scaring myself silly. But yeah, it's gonna be amazing, and I'm so excited to start this next chapter in our lives. I've never not lived at home, so I'm very nervous about that. I mean, I'm scared sleeping in my room with my dog when Trevor's gone and my mom's in the house. And now we're gonna go to, my mom's not in the house, it's just gonna be me and Zoe, so we'll see how that goes. My uncle does live right down the road. My uncle lives over there. My brother owns the lot across the street. My dad owns the lot all around the house, the field, which, I mean, it's just empty lots. So they're not going to be around, but my uncle does live right down the road. If there's some kind of emergency that I need to call somebody. Sorry, there's like people slowly going down the road looking at me. I guess I better get used to that, huh? I kind of want to get rid of these blinds, but I kind of think that I'll like having the ability to close them. But they're just kind of ugly. No offense, Grandpa, your blinds are kind of ugly. But yeah, new carpet and all of this stuff up here. New light fixtures, hopefully. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated on what gets painted and what order, and when we get all of our furniture in. Hopefully this whole process will be a month or less. I'm gonna go get my paint supplies out of the car and get started. Bye guys.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.